Yo, za, attendez. Méchanceté ton haïtien, monsieur T, men, monsieur mourir tout bas est fini. Mais si méchanceté un américain, bah, va finir comme ça, non, papa. Si méchanceté un artiste américain, bah, va finir comme ça, men. Parce que, banzo, haïtien tellement aimé internet, yo tellement aimé faire bruit, on est disparaître sous face la terre, right? Like, and then before he dies or before he disappears, you are the last person he called on your phone, he sent you messages. You decided not to help. And then you come to the internet, say, oh, before this guy disappeared, he called me. I decided not to help. You tell me it's Big Mesh. I said, who the fuck is Big Mesh? So I'm not going to help. You know what I'm saying? And then that person never appear again. Et puis, quelques temps après, nouvelle prend la rue qu'on fait créer avec ancien famille. So what would people think about it? What would people think about it? You are the last person he calls, and then you don't help, and sometime later, there's rumors saying that you were fucking his girl. Bro, a lot of niggas working free today, but if Méchanceté was a US citizen, those people would be in jail now. They would have to explain what did he say to them, where did he say he was, what's going on. So, babdi non moun, mais ça me connaît si Méchanceté. Toi, Américain, qui t'a marché les vieux disant qui t'a pas code. Yeah. Parce que if somebody calls you, they get an emergency, you're not able to help, you can at least call the authority. Mais comme son Haitian, since he was Haitian and they didn't have the government, he just died like that. But I wish he was a US citizen. Bah, yo tap fini on l'autre gens. Bah, yo tap fini, j'ai fini, non? Yo tap kon kout méchanceté quand même, base. Ton e boulim.